Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuradha Shaha once again back with another video on accounting terms. So today's video will be discussing about income and expenses. So income and expense is very important for a business. So let's see what is income, what is expense, and let's understand the two very important terms. Let us start discussion on what are incomes and what are expenses. So first we will be discussing about income. Now income is the sum of money that is received by a person or a business in exchange for delivering a good or a service. Income is the term used to describe the money received by an individual in exchange for a good or a service. An individual uses their money to pay for investment as well as their regular expenses. There are two terms, one is gross income, another is net income. Gross income is usually the revenue that is earned before any taxes and deductions having deducted from your income. It adds together all the revenues, includes money from non-cash sources like property and services. For most of the salaried individuals, their gross income is the total salary before the tax and deductions. Some individuals may have additional sources of income such as dividend, capital gain, rent received, tips, commissions, etc. An individual's net income is their gross income less any type of taxes and deductions. It is the quantity of money that an individual brings home finally with them and have accessible for their daily expenses. The net income for an individual or for a company is calculated by summing up all the business revenues minus the cost of goods sold, the business expenses, operating expenses, depreciation, interest expenses, and taxes. So we will be going into in-depth discussion on all these when we will go to final accounts. Now let us discuss about expenses. Expenses are defined as the amount paid by a trader on anything or order to benefit from it. So the business incurs a variety of expenses. Expenses on the income statement are deducted from revenue to calculate the net income. Accounting's accrual principle requires expenses to be recognized when they are incurred rather than when they are paid. Now, classification of expenses. There are two types of expenses usually, or basically the expenses are divided into two types. One is revenue expenditure, another is capital expenditure. Any money spent to acquire a asset or boost a business's earning potential is referred to as capital expenditure. And a revenue expenditure is a term used to describe the amount of money spent on keeping the firm profitable. So, a capital expenditure is an expenditure that is incurred once. And revenue expenditure is a type of expenditure that is incurred repeatedly over the year. Now, examples of expenses. Examples of expenses, if we have to define all, if you have to give examples of all types of expenses, then first we will discuss about operating expenses. It is cost of goods sold, marketing expense, advertising expense, promotion, salary, benefit expenses, wages, selling and distribution, general expenses, administrative expenses, rent and insurance, depreciation, amortization. All these are operating expenses. Non-operating expenses are interest, taxes, impairment charges. Fixed expenses are rent, salary, benefits, and wages, wages are usually sometimes fixed or sometimes variable. Now, variable expenses, transaction fees, commissions, marketing and advertising, etc., etc. So there are a variety of expenses. So that was what is income and what is expenses. I hope the topic is clear. Any doubts, please text me in the comment box. Thank you for watching the entire video and learning that what is income and what is expense. So income and expense will be very important throughout the course of accountancy because it is a very essential term. And to know the next videos, what is coming next, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel so that you can keep getting more and more videos from the channel on accounting. Thank you.